What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am putting a ladder rack on my Colorado. This ladder rack was from, let's see, where's the company? Maybe it's on here. Here we go. The ladder rack was from Racket Truck Racks. So it was back ordered for months. I don't really know. Oh, that didn't work. I don't really know when we exactly ordered it, but it just showed up today. So we're gonna try and throw it on. The only thing I'm a little confused about is the instructions here don't show you how you actually secure it to the truck. Just shows you how to put all the pieces together, which is pretty much pointless because everything just slides into each other with these smaller sizes and the bigger sizes, and then you bolt them with all the bolts here, and I'm guessing 2 pins for somewhere on there. But we need to figure out how to get it to actually secure to these bed rails. So I am gonna set this up on a time lapse, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. Alright guys, so the ladder rack is on. It was pretty straightforward. The only thing that they didn't give you instructions on was how to actually mount it to your truck, which is what we did here. I went ahead and drilled 4 holes, and let's see, can you see that? You can't see that, 1 second. And I got a washer with a nut on it down inside there, so all 4 of them have that. I'm gonna see how this works for now. I might put another one here and another one here on both sides, depending on how it handles the weight, but I think this should be good. It was pretty simple. All they gave you instructions on was how to slide all the pieces together that they sent you. So this was basically useless because it's only gonna work one way. But that is pretty much it. I gotta wait until my dad sends me to pick something up and I can test it out. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. So that is gonna wrap up this one. If you guys have any questions or comments about the truck, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.